Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to explain about IR spectroscopy. So, IR spectroscopy give information about the functional groups. So, first I will discuss about the functional group, then I will come on IR spectroscopy. So, what is functional group? Collection of atom at a site within a molecule with a common bonding pattern. A group react in a typical way, generally independent of rest of the molecule. For example, the double bond in simple and complex alkene react with bromine in the same way. You see here, this is double bond and this is double bond. So types of functional group: multiple carbon-carbon bonds, double bond, triple bond in benzene. Alkane have the only CC and CH single bond. Alkene have a carbon-carbon double bond. Alkyne have a carbon-carbon triple bond. Arenes have a special bond that are represented as a alternative single and double bond in a 6-member ring, like that. Functional group with carbons singly bonded to an electronegative atom. Alkyl halide, carbon bonded to halogen. Alcohol, carbon bonded to oxygen of hydroxyl group. Ether, 2 carbons bonded to the same oxygens. Amine, carbon bonded to nitrogens. Thiol, carbon bonded to SH. Sulfide, 2 carbon bonded to the same, and bonds are polar with partial positive charge on carbon, delta positive, and partially negative charge on electronegative atoms. So these are the example when carbon bonded with the electronegative atom. Now group with a carbon oxygen double bond, carbonyl groups. This is aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, esters, thioester, amide, acid chloride. Bonds are polar with a special positive charge, a partially positive charge on carbon. See, this is the example of acetone. Carbon has partially positive charge and oxygen has partial negative charge. So alkene double bonds, know the nomenclature: ENE, alkyne YNE, triple bond, arenes none, halides none, chloromethane example, alcohol all, ether, here monophosphate, phosphatic, amine, imine, ship base, this is the imine, nitro groups, and thiol. Sulfide, disulfide, sulfur-sulfur bond, carbonyl aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester, amide, carboxylic acid anhydride, carboxylic acid chloride. So friends, come to the IR spectroscopy. Spectroscopy means interaction of compound with light, a form of energy. E is equal to h nu, E is equal to hc by lambda, nu frequency, lambda wavelength. IR spectroscopy is used to identify the functional group within a compound. You know that. And now you know the functional group also. Absorption spectroscopy. Organic compound exposed to electromagnetic radiation can absorb energy of only certain wavelength, transmit energy of other wavelengths, changing wavelength to determine which are absorbed and which are transmitted produces an absorption spectra. Energy absorbed is distributed internally in a distinct and reproducible way. So infrared IR absorptions, IR energy absorbed correspond to the specific vibrational and rotational mode, such as bending and stretching of modes, energy of characteristic of the atom in functional group and their bonding. You see symmetric, asymmetric stretching, bending. So IR energy in a spectrum is usually measured as wave number, the inverse of wavelength, and is proportional to frequency and energy. A specific IR absorption by organic molecule related to its bonding structure, principally its functional group, wave number is equal to 1 by lambda centimeter. So nu bar is equal to k FMM, FML. This one. A stronger bond, higher new frequency, heavier atom, lower new frequency. So most functional groups absorb at about the same energy and intensity independent of molecules. They are characteristic higher energy absorptions. You can use confirm existence or presence of functional group. IR spectroscopy has lower energy regions characteristic of molecules as a whole. Fingerprint regions below 50-100 centimeter inverse. Look for key absorption for functional group. You cannot assign all peak. Can only tell you functional group are in a compound. So this is the H regions. This is triple bond region, double bond region, fingerprint regions. These are the values. In alkane, you know the CSCC. In alkene, C double bond and C triple bond. Accordingly, you can check in the NMR spectra, IR spectra. You see. Aromatic weak CH stretching, weak absorptions, and medium intensity absorptions. If you have alcohol, OH and NH have less and OH have, that one is the broad. You see, this is the OH, this is NH. A strong sharp CO peak at 17 to 1780 centimeter in case of aldehyde and ketone. In aldehyde, there is a special CH bonds in these regions. IR of ketone in esters. You see the carboxylic acid, amines, ketone and acid. Ketone is here. If you have the OH, C double H, this. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.